Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Look Fantastic for December. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so December 2021 Look Fantastic beauty box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this month being December with Christmas, they have a nice like a burgundy-ish red top with more of like a plumish burgundy on the bottom with the gold. It's very nice and festive looking, and you can use these boxes for any type of storage or anything like that because they are constructed very well. I always tell you guys that. I always save the boxes. So when you open up the December box and get into the tissue paper, that is what it looks like down inside. And where's the card? There's no card. Normally they give you a card. It doesn't go over the pricing, I don't believe, for Look Fantastic. No, but they do give you more information about each item. But today it looks like either there's not a card or mine missed the card. So let's just go ahead and see what's inside. So the first thing that I saw right on top, it says Hollywood Browser. It says it removes hair and exfoliates, removes peach fuzz. What's included is one browser and one protective pouch. Okay, so you can use this to get little peach fuzz and little things like that off. And I like to use them like underneath, like for your brows, so you can shape them and help, help them out. So that's actually really neat to have in here. Let's get it open so we can see what it looks like. But it just says simple to use. You open it, you use it at a 45-degree angle, going in the motion, and that's it. Unfold. Use short, gentle strokes. Use short, gentle strokes in one direction, using the other hand to hold skin tight. It's hot. So when you open it up, you do have the pouch that you can keep it in on the side. And then you have the actual tool. So this is what the tool looks like. And then you just open it up, and then there is the little razor right there. So then wherever you want to use it, like I said, if you do it like up in here, and then when you are done using it, you can stick it down in this little case. So it just has a little plastic front and a little plastic on the back, but it's clear. You normally don't see tools like this go around in boxes much, so I think that's really neat. Quick and easy, pain-free, hair removal, and exfoliation. And then there's the back of it. So there's number 1. Item number 2 we have is a satin sleeping mask. Sleep like a queen and wake up as a goddess. And it's by Glove. I really like using these at night. I always tell you guys I don't like seeing flashing lights, but I love using these, and the satin ones are super comfortable, and they normally don't leave any creases in my hair or anything like that. So you do have one of these. I have so many of them. So this one I'm going to set aside for one of you guys in a future giveaway. So you'll see that at some point. But that is really neat that it's in here because I use one almost every night. So now we have as a product by starskin.com. It says Starskin VIP, the Gold Mask Eye. Revitalizing luxury gold foil eye masks. Okay, so you get one pair of eye masks and they are gold. On the back. So just like normal eye masks, stick them on, leave them on for what, 10 to 15 minutes? Let's see, 10 to 15 minutes, remove, and if there's any little stuff left, just a little dab will do ya, and you're good to go. Let's see what else is in here. So this says Ombre Blush by Lottie, London. And it says ombre. Oh, because it's kind of darker on top and it goes lighter. This is in the color Haze. So you do have a blush, and I'll show you the color. So it's kind of lighter, like a lighter peach to here, and then it goes down to darker. So I guess that's why it says ombre. But there's that. And I will put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys too, because I normally don't do anything with blushes, but I'll save that for you. Next we have is an Elemis product. This is the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This is a 30 ml, and it says Skin Energizing Cleanser. Massage onto damp skin with fingertips, add warm water to create a lather, then rinse off. So there's that guy. So you can prep your face, you can clean your face, then you can put these little guys on. And then when you go to sleep, you got this to protect your eyes. And then there's one more product in here. This is by Eco London. It says Spotlight Highlighter Pencil. I don't think I've ever seen a highlighter pencil by Eco London. I always just see like the mascara and the eyeliner go around. So that's really neat to see something different. So there's that guy. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is very shiny though. That would be good to use like as your lower brow bone or in your corner. You can use it anywhere. That is really neat. And does it say what color it is? Pearl. So it's like a pearl, like a pearlescent kind of color. That is really pretty. So then you have that. Now, is that everything? Yes, now that is everything. So going over a quick recap of everything that's in the December box, you have the Spotlight Highlighter Pen. You have the Elemis Cleanser. You have an Ombre Effect Blush. You have a face tool to get off hairs that you don't want. You have an eye sleeping mask. You have an under eye face mask. And yeah, so that is everything. All right, you guys, so that is everything in the December box. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of the items that they put inside? If you want a little bit more information about LookFantastic, I will let you know right about now. I do have a link down below. If you do follow that link and you're a first-time subscriber, you can get your very first box for $10 signing up to a 12-month plan. You don't have to pay for the whole 12-month plan at the same time, like right when you sign up. You are billed monthly, but you're locked into the year rate when you do it that way. So again, if you do sign up for a 12-month, your very first box is only $10. If you do month to month, it's $19 per month. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $18. 6 months brings it to $17. And the whole 12 months will bring it to $16. But again, you're billed monthly. You will receive 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60 every month. You can pause and cancel at any time. And there is free international shipping. So again, they will all be linked down below if you like to follow that and check them out, or check any products that they will have. They sell everything individually as well. They have a huge online store if you didn't know that. So everything will be linked down below. You can definitely go check out LookFantastic and everything that they do have to offer, or see if they have any special boxes, or, you know, check out the beauty box if you like. So that is everything that I have for this particular video, you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.